Hey there, business owners, freelancers, and entrepreneurs. Nishi here with another fast and exciting social media marketing tip for you. Today, I want to talk about email marketing and sending out an e-blast every couple of weeks or maybe a few times a month to a list that you're cultivating over time. I encourage all my clients to have some kind of email campaign going on to complement their social media marketing campaign, and it's proven very effective in the past. Now, the biggest question I think I get from my clients about their e-blast is, what do we put in the email? What do we write about? They get a little nervous because they think they have to write something brand new and fresh. They don't necessarily have to do that. What you can do is just summarize your latest blog articles or your video content or your best social media posts. Just do a wrap up with links to the original content. You don't have to get too fancy. Keep it short and sweet. People don't have time to read a long, extensive thing. And just summarize, these were the last couple of social media posts that you might have missed, the last few blog posts and videos that I did over the last month or so, just so you have them. So now you might be wondering, why would I want to put these in an email when I've already posted them on social media? Well, good question. The reason is, well, number one, they might have missed it, right? They might have missed it because of algorithms, because social media algorithms have filtered them out and they didn't see the post originally when you posted it, or maybe just timing. Maybe they weren't online or on Facebook when you posted on Facebook, or maybe they did see it and they didn't have time to access it or click on it and watch the whole thing or read the whole thing at the time. So luckily, you followed up with an email and gave them another chance to absorb your content that will provide value to them. So, don't worry about, some people worry that's too repetitive. I've posted on Facebook, I posted on LinkedIn, I posted on Twitter and Instagram and YouTube, and now I'm going to post it again in an email that I send them. Well, that's not being too repetitive. I mean, if you think about it, you do need to be in somebody's space a couple of times before they even realize that you're there, because there's so many social media posts in their face all day, every day from so many different sources. So if you think about it, like back in the TV days, you would see the same commercial, every commercial break for a couple of hours, and then it would sort of stick with you. So you do need to be a little bit repetitive in order to even get noticed. So don't feel too bad about it. Just realize that people want your content. Okay, hopefully you've curated a really good email list and you're not sending this to people who don't want your information. And if they don't, they'll just, unsubscribe. It's not a big deal. Don't take it personally. So you want to make sure that your information gets to them, and an email list is a great way to ensure that, because you're going directly into their inbox. So it takes less work than posting something on social media and trying to get their attention that way. You're going directly into their inbox and they can access you when it is convenient for them, not just you. So that's it for today. Don't be afraid of reposting and repurposing your social media content in your e-blast. It's a great way to get your message across, and stay in touch with your target audience. Make sure they get your content, and stay on top of mind. And I hope you found this useful. If you did, please subscribe, hit me a like, or drop me a comment, and I will see you next time. Take care.